Well, come on, let's go to work. So the Bible says that he's going to restore the tabernacle of David. Well, we're going to witness it here. And well, you and I have to understand that the Lord wants to dwell in us. Yeah, he wants to have continual fellowship with you and I. And there are going to be times when you won't do what you need to do. Yeah, but thank God that when I ain't where I'm supposed to be, somebody is praying for me. They're not waiting on Yom Kippur, but they're praying for me. We're not waiting on the Day of Atonement, but because the veil of the temple has been torn rent, whoever want to come in is able to come in. Have I got a witness? All I'm trying to say is there's nothing like the presence of the Lord. Can I go high? Somebody here got to make up in your mind that you want a restoration, because you got to know you can't be the way it's always been. Say yes, somebody. We got to get back to worshiping God, not just having church, but being church. Because one day you're going to have to give an account for what you've done with what he gave you. Can I go high? Somebody here gotta make up in your mind. You're going to be a part of the next generation of worship. It does not matter whether my name is on program. I serve a God who's worthy of all the glory, all the honor, and all the praise. Yeah! 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 Oh yeah! Just one more time. So the Bible said that my Lord, in order to pay for me to have an opportunity to be able to preach this gospel, what I had to do was Jesus had to die for me, and I had to choose him so that the veil of the temple would be torn rent. And that's what he did. He died on the cross. We're down in a barber-tomb. But one day, Sunday morning, the first day of the week, he got up. Yes, he did. Ah, power. Didn't he do it? Ah, power. Yes, he did. Power was in his hand. Did he rise for you? Somebody say yes. Did he rise for you? He got up just for me. If nobody else needed to be saved, I still believe he would have done it for me. I thank God that he got up from the dead just for me. He got up so you can get up. Go tell the alcoholic, rise, Sally, rise, wipe your weeping eye. Didn't he get up? And because he got up, you ought to lift your hands. Because he got up, you ought to dance for your feet. Because he got up, you ought to lift your voice. Because he got up, you can get up. Say yeah! Say yeah! Ah! Yeah!
Somebody in this room